2.5 significantly enhances its reasoning abilities, making it more efficient in handling complex tasks compared to earlier models. This improvement is vital for numerous applications. Showcasing remarkable versatility, the model excels in various fields, including math and creative writing, outperforming previous iterations like GPT 4.5 by a considerable margin. User feedback from platforms like Reddit emphasizes Gemini 2.5's swift problem-solving capabilities, solidifying its reputation as a leading AI tool. Its real-world applications are already under exploration. Moreover, the model's proficiency in generating clean SVG files demonstrates its utility in graphic design and file management, a key asset for many developers. In addition, Gemini 2.5's multimodal capabilities allow it to seamlessly process text, images, audio, and code collectively, which significantly enhances development workflows for programmers. Furthermore, the strong performance of Gemini 2.5 Pro on math and science benchmarks highlights its potential in educational tools and advanced analytical applications across various sectors. The launch of Gemini 2.5 Pro has garnered attention due to its enhanced features, especially in coding, visual tasks, and user interaction, encouraging users to explore its capabilities. Evaluating performance metrics reveals that Gemini 2.5 Pro achieved a score of 63.8% on the Sweetbench test, marking significant improvements, yet still inviting feedback regarding its reliability. Additionally, Google's custom TPUs play a crucial role in Gemini's performance, facilitating rapid model training and expanding token context, thus fostering its growth within the AI landscape. Meanwhile, OpenAI strives to deliver innovative creative solutions while ensuring responsible technology use, emphasizing the importance of ethical standards as we approach AGI. Moreover, the new multi-turn generation feature allows users to refine images through conversational input, which is essential for projects like character design and branding, enhancing collaborative creativity. In addition, GPT 4.0's capacity to depict multiple objects seamlessly within a scene greatly increases flexibility in image composition, making it an effective tool for various creative endeavors. The platform further enables users to create fast API courses, streamlining the learning experience and enhancing overall educational journeys. One particular standout feature is the Anki Cards Creator, allowing users to transform their knowledge into spaced repetition flashcards, optimizing study habits and retention. In conclusion, the AI landscape is evolving rapidly, making it essential to stay updated on advancements like Gemini 2.5 and OpenAI's latest upgrades in GPT 4.0.